Sometimes we forget how important a strong back is for maintaining great posture and a long, lean core. This move is great for your back and your balance as well. From all fours, reach your right arm forward, parallel to the floor, then straighten your left leg back and flex your foot. This is harder than it looks. Then move to the other side. This is a really relaxing move that strengthens your hips. Bend your right leg in front of you and extend your left leg behind. Walk your hands forward and bring your forehead to the mat. Now that's an amazing stretch. Stand with your feet a little wider than shoulders. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of your feet. Jump or walk your feet back into the plank position. This really works your abs. Now do 2 push-ups on your toes if possible, or if you're a beginner, on your knees. Jump or walk your feet back towards your hands, return to a low squat position on your feet, and stand up. Repeat that whole sequence 4 more times. I love this move because it strengthens your whole core and you can do it anywhere, even when you're waiting for water to boil or your laundry to get done. Start by standing. Lift your left leg straight back, hinging forward at the hips and reaching hands straight ahead. Keep those hips level and your body straight as an arrow from hands to heel. Then in one move, draw your left knee into your chest, creating a powerful standing crunch by pulling your arms down onto your knee. If this is too much of a challenge, hold on to a chair or a counter with your hand until your core gets stronger. This move works your obliques, the muscles along the side of your core that shape your waist and give you an hourglass shape. Lie on your left side with your legs straight and stacked on top of each other. Flex your feet and scoop them forward slightly to protect your back. Rest your head on your straight left arm. Then, on an inhale, lift both legs off the ground, exhaling slowly while lowering them until they're about 1 inch off the ground. The secret to making this move really effective is to superglue your legs together and move them as one. Do 10 to 12 reps, then switch sides and repeat 3 to 4 times. Now you're ready for the toughest move in the Cellulite Busting series. Stand with your arms extended to your sides at shoulder height, palms down. Step your right leg forward about 2 feet and lower your left knee so both knees are at 90 degrees. Simultaneously raise your left arm straight up and your right arm towards your heel. Repeat 10 times on each side. Engage your abs and hinge forward at the waist as you lift your left leg straight back, foot flexed until your head and heel are all in one straight line. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds and then return to standing. Repeat on the opposite side. Here's a great yoga pose that helps flatten out your belly. Sit with your feet on the floor, knees bent, hands beneath your knees for support. Keeping your chest lifted and shoulder back, really engage your ab muscles and raise and lower your legs until they're parallel to the floor and you're balancing on your rear end. If you can handle this, you're ready for the next step. Straighten your legs and arms and stretch your arms forward. For a super challenge, lower your back and legs and hover. Hold for at least a few breaths and then release. This move is a great way to work out your lower body and clean the floor. Lie face up with your knees bent and both heels on a towel. Lift your hips, then slide your feet in and out together 10 to 20 times. For an extra challenge, do it one leg at a time with the other leg lifted.